It tastes pretty good, to be honest. And it's quite cheap. All your So I've seen this feta cheese pasta literally everywhere on the internet. It's on TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. Everybody's saying that it's amazing. So I actually wanted to give it a try myself and see if it's as good as everybody is saying it is. So the ingredients are pretty simple. All you need is some cherry tomatoes, which I'm just emptying out into an oven-proof dish. I figured that I should probably give them a rinse because of pesticides. So just gave them a quick rinse under the tap. And then you're going to want to season, so I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil. Not sure what makes it extra, but yeah, adding that into the tomatoes. And then I'm also going to season with some garlic salt. I always use garlic salt instead of regular salt because I just think the more garlic the better. And then I'm also going to add some black pepper. I'm adding extra garlic because, like I said, I like garlic, so just adding some garlic. This is like easy chop, ready chopped garlic because I don't like chopping garlic. It makes your fingers smell. So adding that straight into the tomatoes, and then I'm just going to give them a toss around, make sure that they're all coated in the garlic and the salt and the pepper. Then I've got my feta cheese, so I'm just dumping that straight in. And I'm just flipping it around, making sure that it's coated in the olive oil and the seasonings. And then you just want to stick that in the oven and let it bake for about 35 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So now I'm just going to boil my pasta, just adding some salt into a boiling pan of water, and I'm going in with my pasta. You can use whichever variety. I've seen people use penne, bow tie pasta, fusilli, doesn't really matter. So yeah, just boiling my pasta whilst the feta and tomatoes bake in the oven. So after 35 minutes, this is what my tomatoes and my feta looks like. Everything's sort of like all the tomatoes have popped and the cheese has melted. So I'm adding in rocket. I think you guys call it arugula in America. Please tell me if I'm right. And I'm just going to stir that into the tomatoes and the feta. As you can see, the cheese is like melted nicely and all the tomatoes have popped. So I'm just mixing that in, making sure that everything's sort of stirred in and incorporated. I'm now dunking in my cooked pasta. And I'm going to give that a good stir, make sure that it's coated in all of the sauciness. I gave it a quick taste just to check if it had enough salt and pepper. I'm just adding some chili flakes because I thought it would give it a nice kick. I like chili, so I'm always adding it to literally every dish. Adding also a little bit more garlic salt and some more black pepper. And again, just giving that a good stir. And then that's basically it, guys. It's literally the quickest and easiest pasta dish I've ever made. You literally just stick the cheese and the tomatoes in the oven, bake them, and then add in your pasta and you're done. So I'm just going to serve myself up some and give it the final taste test to see if it's as good as everybody says it is. Yep, so here we go. The viral feta pasta. I'm going to give it a try. Everybody's been trying it and saying it's amazing. So if it's not amazing, I'm going to be very annoyed. So let's give this a try. Try not to put too much in my mouth or I'm going to look like a slob. To be fair, it's kind of good. I'm not going to lie. It tastes good. It's not like blow your mind good, but it's good pasta. There's only a few ingredients. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad, to be fair. Yeah. And that's it, guys. Like I said, I think it tastes pretty good. Let me know if you try this out, what you think of it, and I will see you in the next one. Toodles.